Hello guys, my name is Luca and today I'm going to show you how you can make your UI looking from this to this awesome UI. But before starting, I wanna ask you guys for joining my Discord server. I will leave a link in the description and I will really appreciate you guys if you could join, because there you can get support from me anytime and at any hour. You can ask questions, you can ask for custom systems, you can suggest the next video idea and much more. So guys, check description for the server link. Okay, so now before doing anything, we will need to add a button, and to do this we will need to go here in Starter GUI and insert here, click on this plus and search for the screen GUI. And in this screen GUI we will need to insert, for example, a text button. We have here the text button, which is not looking too good, but we can change this. For first, let's drag from the corners to make it a little bigger, because I think it's too small. So let's make it something like this. And now let's put it on the left side of the screen, so like this. And now the first thing we will need to do is to go here, make sure the text button is selected, and go here at properties, at filter properties, and search for text. Here we can change the text color, make the text bigger by enabling text scale. Let's enable it, so now the text is bigger. Let's say I want the text to be white, and I want to change the text from it, and let's say here, for example, shop. Now let's change our text button background, because we can see our text. So here we'll see background color free, and you will have to press here on the right side where is this square, and it will appear you a window from where you can change the color. So let's make it blue. So I will choose this blue, we click OK, and now we have here our text. But if you don't like the font, we can go again here at filter properties and search for a font, and here at the font face we will have to click here on the right side, and we will have a lot of fonts. My favorite one is Fridoka one, because it looks big, it have a cartoon theme text, and I like it. Okay, so we are done with the settings from the button. This is the final result, but we are not done yet. Let's go here at text button, make sure it's selected, and hit the plus and search here for UICorner. This UICorner will have curved corners, so it looks more cool, more awesome, and it will fit more in our game. So let's change it to 0,14, so it will look something like this. Let's go here again in a text button, and let's hit the plus again and search for UIStroke. So this stroke have two modalities on the button. So the stroke can be applied on the text. So if you see, let's change the thickness to 5 so we can see it. So it can be applied on the text from the button, or by changing here at apply stroke mode, changing it to border, it will apply to the border of the button. And let's leave it for the moment how it is. So the Y stroke can be something like this, but I prefer doing like this. So let's go again, and on text button let's copy his background color, go back here at Y stroke, and we will need to paste the color from the button that we've copied here, and go here on the square, click on it and make it a little darker, so it will look something like this. And if you would like a stroke on the text, you will just need to add here another Y stroke, and make sure the apply stroke mode is contextual. And let's change the thickness to 4 or 3, let's leave it at 3. Yeah, so this is a very simple method and fast method because it don't look too much to do it, adding some Y corner, some Y strokes, find a cool color for the button, and change the text font. So this is really simple, and I will recommend you to do this, guys. So the Y from your game, it would look much better than before. I really appreciate the ones that watch the whole video, and hope everything worked well for you and you designed the battle how you wanted. If you have any questions or you can do something, just text me through comments, or better, join my Discord community, because there we can communicate much easier and much more. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, because that will help me very much, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new tutorial.